Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys mix list inside Fairlight under the automation tab. If you go over to Fairlight and hit automation, at the very bottom we have mix list. And this is like a scene or a mix save. It'll save all your parameters, plugins, panning, fader levels, anything like that as a mix. So you don't have to save an entire project session. You can just save a mix if you're making changes. So by default, it's got a system, which is uneditable. Then you can make your own mixes by saying new mix, and that'll say creating a new one and resetting everything. Do you want to continue? Empty mix. Or you can load a mix. So right now I have this one loaded with this rising filter on the EQ. So if we look at the EQ here, it's automated with this green line to shut this filter off. Then if we recall this other mix that just says EQ on and off, double click, load. Now we have an automation where the EQ goes on and off. You can see the EQ went off there. Then I have this one called soft EQ on and off. So if we look at track 1 here, under the effects, there's none. But if we open the mix window, load soft EQ, say OK, you can see now we have a soft clipper on track 1 and the same automation move. And you can save this for any changes you make. So if you have to make revisions or you're going to do a different mix style, you can. So you can click here, you can delete. You can also click in the notes section here. And when you hit save mix, you can give it a name that makes sense to you instead of mix 1 or mix 2. And then it has a little created date. So that's how you can use a mix list to make mix revisions without saving new projects or versions of your entire project if you're just making audio changes. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.